Okay, kids, thanks for watching this video. I hope you're doing good at home. And in this video, we're going to learn the numbers 1 to 20 and the grammar there is and there are. Okay, we're going to start with the numbers. How many toys? Our topic, it's how many toys. How many toys do you have? See the numbers? Repeat with me and with the video, please. You see the numbers and letters, okay? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20, 20.
Hi, kids. Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids. Let's count again faster.
Count with me. 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Outstanding. Let's count again even faster.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count.
Okay, kids, so you know how to pronounce these numbers, the numbers 1 to 20. And what do you need to do on this page, on page 189? What do you need to do? You see, count the toys. Remember, we are talking about toys. Write the numbers. What is a toy? This one. A toy. My car. This is my toy. Okay, so we're talking about that one. And count the toys. Write the numbers were in the boxes. So you need to write right here. Okay, take a look right here. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dolls. So you can go up here and take a look. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, you need to write that one in here. And you need to do the same thing right here. You need to count. 1, 2, 3. You need to count all these cars. And then write the numbers right here. You need to write it down. Okay, write it down. And this one, the ropes, you need to count. How many? You need to write it down right here. Okay. And how many balls? See, you need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. So you need to go in here and find out 6. Okay. And write it down. And also we're going to learn about how many toys are there. So we're going with the grammar there is and there are. Okay, when you say there is a car, it's only one. There is one. There are. If I would have two, I would say there are two cars. There are two cars. Okay, so we're going to watch a short video about that.
There is, there are. There are two cats. There is a ball. There's a ball. Your turn. There are three dogs. There's a car. There are two lions. There are two houses. There are four pencils. There's a plane. There are two dragons. There are seven apples. There's a rabbit. There are two cows. There's a dinosaur.
Okay, kids, so we are learning about using the grammar there is and there are. Don't forget, there is only for one object, one thing. And there are, it is for more than two, two, three. There are four, there are two, there are three people, there are three teachers, there are four teachers. But if it's only one, there is, okay? There is one. There is a cell phone. There is a cell phone. If I would have two, there are. Okay, there are two. Okay, how many books are there? There is one book. One. How many apples are there? There are four apples. Four apples. So this is the examples. And what are you going to do? It says look at the picture. You need to look at the picture. Circle the correct answer and write them in the boxes. So which one? Which boxes? These boxes. This is a box, and this one, and these are boxes. So you need to see. It says how many balls are there? How many balls? See right here. One, two balls. So which one? How many balls? There is or there are? There are, yes, because more than two, more than one, okay? There are three bowls. So where is the other one? There are three bowls. Okay, so we have one in here and one up here and one, two, three. So we have, there are three bowls. Three bowls. And how many lamps are there? How many lamps? How many lamps? How many? Okay, so you think it is, there is? or there are? Yeah, you need to find out. It's only one. And okay, so we have the example right here. How many beds are there? There is one bed. There is one bed. Okay, so that's all you need to do on this page, page 204, babies. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Please practice this at home. You can say, there is a Barbie. There is a cell phone. There are two cell phones. There are two Barbies. Okay, so practice. Please practice this at home. And thanks a lot. Do this and then send me by